The Larson Electronics automatic transfer switch is ideal for managing electrical loads between two sources in industrial facilities. This 600 amp 480 volt 3-phase 4-wire controller handles timing, sensing, exercise functions, and transfer commands. This automatic transfer switch offers accurate control of electrical power and loads in locations where a backup generator or energy management system is installed. The unit is housed in a NEMA 3R enclosure. Applications include backup generators, power management, energy systems, industrial facilities, commercial spaces, and more. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.